Can I request the friends from media that after this photograph, can you please continue?
And the regular use of tobacco via any means, that is smoking, chewing, snuffing, is responsible for 65 to 80% of cancer incidences in men and women respectively. So WHO also says that globally and it is the first nutraceutical natural product that will be available in coming days at pan, tobacco, gutka, cigarette shops also. So as I discussed the objective, for 35% of the Indian population who are tobacco users, either they are addicted or they are less inclined to refrain from using it, Swarn Sati is available for them as a protective shield. And it is the first ever such option available in the country and globe to have a measure to provide beneficial support in tobacco and gutka users who are at risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. As we all know that on the packet of cigarette also it's written, smoking kills, tobacco causes cancer. So it's a blend of the three natural ingredients. The turmeric, as I said, why it is Swarn? Because it is having turmeric, haldi. So the haldi extract, the tomatoes and the others similar like carrots, watermelon and papaya extract, the active molecule which is present in tomatoes and which we have taken is a natural lycopene, which is a very potent antioxidant. And we have taken piperine from the black pepper extract, which is known as kali mirch. So these all are the natural active ingredients which are present in Swarn Sati. Now the question arises, why there is a need to formulate haldi? We all can eat haldi in our day-to-day life as a spice, so we can dissolve it in milk and we can just drink it. That's a common phenomenon which we are practicing since long 100 years. So the reason behind for formulating haldi is, first let's know what are the disadvantages of the haldi which we eat. I mean disadvantages in the terms we expect a lot of beneficial properties from haldi which we eat, but the fact is, the practical thing is that it is not able to deliver the beneficial activities. The reason behind is, the first thing is the curcumin content. Curcumin is the active molecule of haldi which is responsible for the beneficial actions to save you from the various ill effects of the cigarette smoking or tobacco or gutka. So curcumin is very important. It has to be present in the right quantity in the turmeric to have the desired beneficial action. So if we take one single rhizome of turmeric, it only contains like 2 to 5% of the active molecule. And whereas your body requires 1 gram of the curcumin to have a shield from the chronic diseases including cancer. So it is very difficult to consume such amounts. And the very important point to note here is, for the turmeric to benefit, especially with respect to cancer, it's a big term which I'm using. With respect to cancer, at least 2.5 to 5 tablespoons are necessary to be consumed daily. That will be equivalent to somewhere around 75 grams. अच्छा हिंदी में भी बताऊं. So अगर हम नॉर्मल टर्मरिक लेते हैं और हम उसका बेनिफिशियल एक्शन चाहते हैं जो हमें किसी डिजीज या स्पेशली कैंसर से बचाए, उसके लिए हमें कम से कम 2.5 से 5 बड़े चम्मच हल्दी खाना पड़ेगा और वो इक्विवेलेंट होगा 75 ग्राम के. That is a very big quantity which no one can eat as a spice or by dissolving in any other liquid. So this is number one thing. Second thing is, let's suppose we are taking the raw haldi and we are taking the right doses, we are eating the 70 to 75 grams of haldi. Even then the beneficial activity is not assured. Why? Because the turmeric doesn't get absorbed in the blood properly. The reason behind it gets break down by the liver and the intestine, and it doesn't reaches the blood to exert its beneficial action. So 2 points has to be noted. The haldi should be in the right, the active molecule of haldi, that is curcumin, it should be in the right quantity. And second, it should be available in the blood also to exert the biological action or the beneficial action, we can say, which will protect from the ill consequences of tobacco, gutka, cigarette, and like that. So the two disadvantages I mentioned. Now I will explain the advantage of the innovative curcumin in Swarn Sati. So we have used a curcumin which is a bioefficient curcumin with complete natural turmeric matrix. Bioefficient refers to a curcumin who is having the desired biological action, who delivers actually. So this curcumin has high curcumin content. It is 10 times more bioavailable as compared to standard curcumin. So suppose if you are taking some 40 mg of this curcumin, you will get 400 mg equivalent benefits to as that of 400 mg. So it also provides assured functional benefits. So one packet of Swarn Sati, which is of 4 grams, provides adequate curcumin, adequate haldi, which will help in shielding cancer and other chronic diseases which results from the consumption of tobacco, gutka, cigarette smoking, and rest others. So the ingredients are curcumin. Basically what it does, it safeguards against the chemical toxins which are liberated by tobacco, gutka, and betel nut chewing, as well as cigarette smoke. It also suppresses the genes implicated in causing cancer. It has a very good antioxidant property. The natural lycopene which we are using is also a very powerful antioxidant, and it complements the curcumin to help protect from the cancer, from the occurrence of cancer. And piperine here, again, it is added to enhance the bioavailability, to make the adequate amount of curcumin in blood so as to have the desired action. So in nutshell, the beneficial actions. It is available as a mouth pour formulation. It is lying on the table outside. You all can have a look onto that. Even if you want, you can taste it also. It's a mouth pour formulation which is effective to counter oral cancers of mouth and throat, particularly due to tobacco, gutka, betel nut chewing. It also helps in submucous fibrosis, which is a precancerous stage. It also protects smokers against the cancer of lungs. Smokers are at higher risk, and the percentage of smokers are very high in our country. So for them also it's very beneficial. And for many already existing cancers in the body of any type, it will be helpful. Besides this, it is all about the things which I discussed was all about the habituates of the ill habits. Now what about those who are non-tobacco users or who are the non-habituates? For them also, this is very, very beneficial, as it supports the cardiovascular health, digestive, gastrointestinal, musculoskeletal, and takes care of the overall well-being of the human body. It will also help to fight and safeguard against the harmful chemicals, toxins, pollutants, adulterants. Nothing in this world is pure now. The food which we eat, the environment in which we go, it is all full of pollutants and chemicals. So it will safeguard from the ill effects of those chemicals also. So all natural, harmless, non-habit forming, single serve sachet for convenient once daily intake. It has a great and pleasant flavor, and we don't have any such competitor in India as well as in globe. It is apparently safe for regular consumption unless there is a case of allergy to the ingredients added to it. Directions, you can just simply cut open the sachet and pour the contents in the mouth. These are the availability and storage. It will be available all across the India on online platforms, Amazon, Flipkart, and on the, as I said, supermarkets, retailers, chemist shops, cigarette, tobacco shops, everywhere it will be available. That's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nilakshi. Welcome, Akshay sir. Today morning, I was sitting with Girish sir, and Mr. Girish Juneja is the chairman and CEO of Big Brother Nutra. He's the co-founder and director of Bestochem Group. And he told me, Rohit, don't call me on the stage and don't introduce me. I'm taking the liberty of actually calling you up. And I'm not going to introduce you, sir. But few days back, I was watching a success documentary by Akshay sir. And Akshay sir, I'm going to take the liberty of quoting a few words that you said in that success documentary. Those words were quoted in a general context of success. But when I heard those words, I thought they quite nicely describe Mr. Girish Juneja. And those words are like this. जहां लोग दौड़ रहे हैं, वहां मत दौड़ें. जहां लोग दौड़ रहे हैं, वहां मत दौड़ें. अपना अलग से रास्ता बना लीजिए. अगर कोई नहीं आ रहा है, तो कोई बात नहीं. आप अकेले हो जाइए. कुछ ना कुछ सही होगा. जिस दिन किसी इंसान का काम उसका पैशन बन जाता है, वहां से उसको कोई हिला नहीं सकता. And I think these lines, as said by Akshay sir once, quite nicely describe the personality and achievements of Girish sir. He is the man who's not running a regular race. He's not making products just for profit. He's making products for a cause. He's making products for benefit of mankind, right? And I would like all of you to kindly give a very big round of applause and welcome the man because of whom we are all part of this mission. Please welcome Mr. Girish Juneja.
Thank you very much. Good evening to all of you. I welcome you on the launch event of novel product Swarn Sathi. Big thanks to Akshay Kumar for joining us for today's event and for the association of Swarn Sathi, product Swarn Sathi. Akshay Kumar is a golden man, gold man, I would like to say gold man. He's a superstar, he's a gentleman. मैं इनसे मिला, कितनी बार मिला, करीबन 4 से 5 बार मिला. मैंने इनके बारे में बहुत सुना था, पर मिलने के बाद पता लगा कि अक्षय कुमार से बेहतरीन सुपरस्टार ही नहीं, इंसान भी नहीं. आई एम स्पीकिंग फॉर माई कोर ऑफ हार्ट. और अभी मैं इनसे ही बात कर रहा था कि अक्षय सर, मैं आपके लिए बोलूँगा यू आर ए गोल्ड मैन. स्वर्ण साथी का मतलब है गोल्डन कंपेनियन, एंड यू आर ए गोल्ड मैन. I would like to call you as a gold man. ये प्रोडक्ट हम जो इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, स्वर्ण साथी, इसका मतलब यही नहीं कि हमको इसको सिर्फ सेल करना है या अर्निंग करनी है. आई वुड लाइक टू से हमें इससे लोगों का भला भी करना है और हमें इसे गांव-गांव, शहर-शहर पहुंचाना है. आई वुड लाइक कि इस प्रोजेक्ट को हम एक से एक छोटे इंटीरियर में भी लेके जाएं, एक बड़े शहर में भी लेके जाएं, क्योंकि मैं बहुत लोगों से मिला हूं जो लोग गुटखे की आदत है, सिगरेट पीने वाले तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा लोग हैं. पर अब मैं देख रहा हूं, क्योंकि मेरा बहुत टूर होता है, मैं बाहर जाता हूं, हिंदुस्तान में कई गांव भी घूमता हूं, शहर भी घूमता हूं, जहाँ ये तो हर इंसान गुटखा. एक पंडित जी से मिला, बहुत बड़े पंडित जी टीवी पे भी आते हैं, उनसे मिला तो वो भी गुटखा खा रहे थे. तो इस तरीके से आप एक रिक्शा वाले से मिलो, वो भी गुटखा खाता है. ये स्वर्ण साथी की शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ. कुछ साल पहले, 3 साल के आसपास की बात है. आई वाज ट्रेवलिंग विद माय टीम मेंबर्स, मेरी जो फार्मा टीम के साथ मैं आई वाज गोइंग फ्रॉम उज्जैन, मध्य प्रदेश से आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग टू जयपुर. वी वर सिटिंग इन ए चेयर कार, एसी चेयर कार. हमारे से 2 सीट आगे एक आदमी का मुंह कटा हुआ था. हम अपनी टीम के साथ बात कर रहे थे, एक आदमी का मुंह कटा हुआ था और पट्टी बंधी हुई थी उसको. तो हमने पूछा, उसके पेरेंट्स साथ थे उसके, एंड ही वाज क्राइंग. मैंने पूछा क्या हुआ. कहता साहब इसको कैंसर डॉक्टर ने डिक्लेयर कर दिया है और हम इसको जयपुर ले जा रहे हैं इलाज के लिए. तो क्यों, कैंसर क्यों हो गया मुंह में. तो बोला कि ये गुटखा खाता है, गुटखे की आदत थी. तो उस दिन हमने अपनी टीम मेंबर से कहा, जिसमें कुछ लोग यहाँ भी मौजूद हैं, मैंने उनसे कहा यार एक काम करो भैया, ये गुटखे की कोई हम मेडिसिन बनाते हैं, न्यूट्रा प्रोडक्ट लाते हैं जिससे कि लोगों का भला हो। तो उसके बाद से शुरुआत हुई और हमको 3 साल लगे, हमने इसके क्लिनिकल ट्रायल लिए। वी टुक मैनी क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स, उसको बनाया। उसके बाद हमने अपनी टीम मेंबर्स को बताया कि यू गो एंड मीट रिक्शा वाला, यू गो एंड मीट पान की दुकान, यू गो एंड मीट एवरीवन। छोटे से बड़े आदमी से मिलिए, उससे पूछिए कि वुड लाइक टू स्पेंड 15 रुपीज फॉर 1 पाउच, बिकॉज इट इज अ प्रिवेंटिव ऑफ कैंसर एंड माउथ अल्सर एंड अदर इल डिजीजेस। तो हर आदमी का हाँ ही था कि हम तो 100 रुपये का गुटखा खा जाते हैं, सिगरेट पी जाते हैं, तो 15 रुपये का यूज़ क्यों नहीं करेंगे। उसके बाद हमने इसकी शुरुआत करी और हमको बहुत लोगों ने हेल्प करी, इसमें प्रोडक्शन में हेल्प करी। इसका टेस्ट इतना बढ़िया बनाया हमारे मिस्टर गणेश कामत हैं, ही हैज़ डेवलप्ड टेस्ट, ही इज़ एक्सपर्ट। हमारे मिस्टर कामत ने हमारी हेल्प करी। हमारे कुछ केरला के लोग हैं, मिस्टर जॉन, ही हैव डन अ लॉट। They are the manufacturer of many. They are present in 80 countries. They are manufacturing many Nutras product. I would like to pay thanks to all of them. तो इसकी शुरुआत यहाँ से हुई और अब हमारी चाहत यह है कि हम अक्षय जी के साथ आगे बढ़ें, इस प्रोजेक्ट को आगे लाएं, क्योंकि उन्होंने इस प्रोजेक्ट को हमारे एसोसिएट हुए। इसकी हम सक्सेस चाहते हैं आगे आने वाले वक्त में बहुत ज़्यादा। एंड इस प्रोजेक्ट को बढ़ाने में, क्योंकि ये एंटी कैंसर से लोग, आप देखिए कि कितने हजार लोग रोज मरते हैं, आपको पता भी नहीं। कितने हजार लोगों को तो पता लग जाता है कि कैंसर से मर रहे हैं, ऑन रिकॉर्ड होता है, और कितने हजार लोगों का ये भी नहीं पता होता, जो गांव के हैं, जो गरीब लोग हैं, उनको ये भी नहीं पता कि उनको बीमारी क्या हुई। तो ये एक खूबसूरत प्रोडक्ट है, इसका नाम स्वर्ण साथी है। स्वस्थ भारत अक्षय जी के साथ मिलकर हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे इसे, क्योंकि अक्षय जी इस बात के लिए बहुत फेमस इंसान है, बहुत फेमस एक्टर हैं, बहुत इज अ मैन ऑफ प्रिंसिपल। वो हेल्थ की तरफ बहुत लोगों को ध्यान देते हैं, वो कई चीज़ों में बहुत लोगों के साथ हमारे देश के भले के लिए जुड़े हुए हैं। तो I would like to pay big thanks to Akshay again, and thank you very much to all of you for joining us today evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Giri sir. Few months back, I was sitting with Mr. Girish Juneja, and in the office, Mr. Vijay Prakash was there, Nilakshi was there, and there was this deep silence in the room, if you remember, Girish sir, few months back. Because at that time, the concern was, there's a great product in hand. You have a winner at hand. You've made a big breakthrough, and you've developed a product. The question was, how to make the message reach the audience? How do we make people understand what the product actually is? And we wanted somebody very responsible to help us do that. Now, there are many personalities who are loved in this country, but there are not many personalities who are also trusted. So after that discussion, there was a unanimity in the room on one name. And we all believe that one name, not just the nation loves, but the nation also trusts. And that name, undoubtedly, Mr. Akshay Kumar. I'm very glad, sir, you came on board. And I'm very glad that you had trust in us, in the product, and you're taking it forward. Because it is not because you're just a great performer, but you're also a reformer. The kind of work that you're doing, we so admire. You're bringing a change through your work. There are a lot of people who bring change. Some people bring change through politics. Some people bring change through social work, through activation, activism. But Akshay sir, you are bringing change through entertainment. You're making cinema meaningful. So when an Akshay film comes, you know, my 65-year-old mother wants to see, my 18-year-old daughter wants to see. It is the positive impact. It is not just because of your stardom, sir. It is because of the meaningfulness and happiness that you're bringing now to our lives. We thank you for that. And yes, I think that deserves an applause. And welcome to the family of Bestochem and Big Brother. Welcome to be part of this mission of making the health quotient of India higher and making Indians live longer. It is my privilege, yes, I am not going to take more time, to call upon stage the one and only Mr. Akshay Kumar.
हेलो नमस्कार ऐसा था कि मैं दिल्ली का रहने वाला हूँ और मुझे कभी भी बचपन से ये रहा है, कभी चोट आती है, कभी स्टंट के वक्त या खेलते वक्त, जब मैं दिल्ली में लाल किले के वहाँ खेलता था, कुछ भी होता तो नानी हमें दूध में हल्दी, मतलब हल्दी में दूध, जो भी है, जैसा भी है, वो पिला देती थी। और जब मैं स्वर्ण साथी के बारे में मैंने सुना कि ये प्रोडक्ट जो है हल्दी के बारे में है और इसके अंदर हल्दी की मिलावट है और इसके अंदर बहुत सारे और ऐसे इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं जो कि लोगों की सेहत के लिए बहुत अच्छी है। दादा आप इधर आ जाओ। तो मैंने बोला इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में मैंने ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे ओनर ने बताया कि ये प्रोडक्ट है तो आपको एडवर्टाइजमेंट करना है और ख़त्म। तो और मैं इतने पैसे मांग रहा हूँ, आप मुझे पैसे दे दीजिए, मेरे लिए ये नहीं। मैंने बाकायदा करीबन 5-6 मीटिंग की इनके साथ, इनसे पूछा, बहुत सारी बातें की, बहुत सारी डॉक्यूमेंट्स एक्सचेंज हुए और तब जाके आई वॉज सेटिस्फाइड विद द प्रोडक्ट, व्हाट दिस इज ऑल अबाउट।